Let's see what's wrong. Expand it. Find the mates. Right, delete this item. I explain in a different tutorial. I'm gonna put it down in the description which tutorial it is, why this icon is appearing here. Press delete. Select the top plane. Hold Ctrl key at the keyboard, select the front plane with device body and make them coincident. Select this surface with the sliding joint driver and make it coincident with this sliding joint. Select this surface. Hold Ctrl key at the keyboard, select the surface here and make them coincident. Save your document. Save all. And let's do some more changes. Go to Equation Manager. Type the value of 90. Enter. The width, type 70. And turn this to 185. Okay. Select Rebuild. Right. As you can see, our design is perfect. Everything works absolutely fine. Right. Thanks for watching. See you next time.